There was one particular house. It was so dirty. It was so dirty that, I mean, smudges on the mirrors, and there were fingerprints on the doors and the light switches. And it looked like the carpet hadn't even been vacuumed. I mean, it literally looked like a foreclosure, and somebody just bolted and scraped everything out, and boom. I was so disappointed that, I mean, there was a part of me that's like, don't clean, don't clean. And I'm like, I got a duster out in the car. I'm going to go get it. I'm going to just tidy up a little bit. There are more people coming. They can't see the house in this condition. There was this violent part of me that's like, you can't have an open house with a dirty house like this. And just walking past the China hutch, and somebody had used, they'd done like this with, I don't know, their hand or something. And it was all smeared and filmy. And I was just like, no, do not let another person in here until I clean this place. It was hideous. I was really embarrassed for the realtor. I was embarrassed for the homeowner. I was embarrassed. It was shameful.
Oh.
But I got that out of my system. I feel better.
Yeah, it's amazing what you see out there.
But I have to go back to Mary Cook, for example, because in the Mary Cook house, the house was immaculate. It was immaculate. And she asked, and Pat told her, oh, she runs a cleaning, whatever. And Mary puts her hands on her hips and she said, inspect this house. And I said, I already did. And she said, how did I do? And I said, you passed with flying colors. She said, I am so specific about every single thing that is done in this house before I show a house. And I was like, go Mary. But I mean, she thought of everything. She said, I give my homeowners a checklist. She said, I send someone out to inspect the house. She said, if it is not immaculate and I would not eat off the floors, I will not show the house. And I was like,
go Mary. Go Mary.
Yeah, it was awesome. But she's like,
I'm so glad you have a realtor in Florida now.
Inspect this house. I mean, she was very defiant about it. Like, try me. I was like, oh, I already did.